Okay, given 2 points, I need to write an equation of a line. And notice here I have 2 points, 1, 2, 4, 4. And notice before I can do anything, I have to find a slope. And what do I have up here? My slope formula that starts with m. Remember, the Latin word for slope is montor, which starts with m. So I'm going to do this 4 minus the 2 and the 4 minus 1. And I haven't color coordinated to know that this y right here is the 4, and that 4 goes right there. Because the y's are on top. Remember, y's are always on top. And so 4 minus 2 is 2, and 4 minus 1 is 3. So now I have a slope, which I will now use. Oh, here's my other method. Kind of sometimes I like to do this here, writing the point, like right here. You see the point 1, 2 and the point 4, 4. And how much did it change from 1 to 4? Well, that meant it went up 3. And what did it do from 2 to 4? It went up 2. Only with this method, you have to remember that y is always on top. And so your slope is 2/3. All right? So now, either way you work it, I still got my slope. And now I'm going to plug it into my point slope formula, because write an equation, you have to have a point and a slope. So I'm going to put the 2/3 for m. I'm going to use the 1 for the x and the 2 for the y. I almost got that wrong. So why it's real important to write this down, so you know to make sure you put the right letters in the right spot. So I have y minus 2 equals 2/3 times x minus 1. Well, let's go ahead and take the 2/3 times the x and 2/3 times -1, which gives me this. Now my problem is this. I need to add 2 to each side. But what's the problem with adding 2 right here? My problem will be this here. When I add 2 here, I have to have a common denominator, which in this case, I have a 3. Well, what's 2 times 3? It's 6. So I'm going to make that a 6/3. Because isn't 6/3 2? Yes. So what's -2 plus 6? Because when you add fractions, you just add the numerators, provided the denominators are common. The denominator will stay the same. So here's my equation. Y equals 2/3 x plus 4/3. Now remember this. In order to write an equation, you have to have a point and a slope. And if they give you 2 points, you first must find the slope first.